Safety bar squat versus back squat.
The lifting dermatologist.
The back squat is a basic barbell strength exercise for the lower body with an emphasis on the quads, hamstrings and glutes. The exercise also strengthens the entire core. The squat allows for heavy weights and overloads your entire body, which has been shown to increase testosterone and growth hormone, making it one of the best mass building exercises. Standing in a shoulder width stance with feet slightly pointed out, rest a loaded barbell across the back of your shoulders, holding it with an overhand grip. Descend into a squat position by pushing your hips back and bending at the knee. At the bottom of the squat, pause and then drive your hips upward, bringing your back to starting position. Make sure you keep a tight midsection. Do not let your heels come off the ground during the squat. Personally, I like to use a safety bar, so doing safety bar squats. A safety bar is a variation of the classic barbell. It has two arms that extend from the bar, which slide over your traps to provide convenient grip on the bar. Standing barbells are a pretty classic staple for squats, but the safety bar is an addition that can actually improve your workout for a number of reasons. Additional padding can avoid bruises and prevent strain on your neck. The padding also works quite effectively to improve the way the load is distributed on your upper body. Because of the cambered, curved arms, when you bend forward, the weight shifts forward with you. This mimics the form of a front squat, where the burden is loaded in front of your shoulders rather than behind with a back squat. Yet, the placement is on your shoulders, where it is much easier to grip and stabilize as you squat and stand. Thanks to the two arms, you can easily keep a tight grip on the bar without needing to grip the barbell itself. For those who are suffering from injuries to the shoulders, elbows or wrist, the safety bar provides an easier solution to lifting weight.